Struggling to find the right tool for the job in your garage? Today, we're diving into 10 essential tools you need in your garage. Let's get to it. Tool number 1. Magnetic Parts Tray. This tray uses a magnetic base to keep metallic items in place. Tiny nuts and bolts won't disappear anymore. Once you have it, place a piece of white paper or mat at the base of the tray. It makes it easier to spot tiny parts. Tool number 2. Wall-mounted bicycle storage. Maximize space while keeping your bikes in pristine condition. Wall-mounted bicycle hangers make this really easy. Hang bikes with the front tire up for added stability, especially with bikes that have uneven weight distribution. Tool number 3. Digital laser distance measure. With a digital laser distance measure, you can measure with precision down to the millimeter or measure long distances easily. Ensure you're pointing directly at the surface you want to measure to and avoid obstructions in the path of the laser for the most accurate reading. Tool number 4. Adjustable workbench. This bench adjusts to your needs. It offers a customizable and space-saving workspace for a myriad of projects, enhancing both comfort and efficiency. If your workbench is on wheels, always lock them in place before starting any project to prevent unwanted movement. Tool number 5. Tire step. A tire step provides easy access to higher parts of vehicles, eliminating the need for bulky ladders. To make it safe, always ensure the hook is securely attached to the tire and test the step stability before applying full weight. Tool number 6. Cord reels. Cord reels prevent the hassle and tangling of extension cords, ensuring they're always easily accessible and safely stored. To keep it secure, periodically check the cord for any wear or tear to ensure safety and longevity. Tool number 7. Collapsible two-wheeled cart. This cart simplifies the transport of heavy objects, and its collapsible design ensures it doesn't consume unnecessary space when not in use. Remember to always distribute weight evenly on the cart to ensure stability and ease of movement. Tool number 8. Wire insertion tool or fish tape. The wire insertion tool streamlines the process of threading electrical wires or cables through tight spaces, saving time and reducing frustration. Don't forget, when pulling wire, apply a lubricant designed for electrical installations to reduce friction and prevent damage to the insulation. Tool number 9. Pneumatic Bleeder. This tool revolutionizes fluid changes for vehicles by using air pressure, making the process faster, cleaner, and more efficient than usual methods. Also, always release the air pressure slowly and in a controlled manner to prevent spills. Tool number 10. Torque angle gauge. Essential for precise vehicle maintenance. The torque angle gauge ensures bolts are tightened to exact specifications, optimizing safety and performance. Pro tip: before using the gauge, always check the manufacturer's specifications for the correct torque and angle settings. Okay, now that you have great tools for your garage, that's just the first step toward using your garage to its full capacity. We put together another video with more than 20 easy hacks that you need to know and apply to revamp your garage and maximize storage space. Make sure that you don't miss out on any important tips. Watch that video now and get started.